In a vibrant wetland brimming with life, a team of researchers sets out on an exciting expedition to uncover the fascinating creatures hidden within this lush paradise. Suddenly, a formidable figure catches their eye. A crocodile lies lazily on a rock, a master of stealth and strength, surveying its territory. The researchers approach cautiously, documenting this ancient predator. The crocodile, a symbol of resilience, holds their gaze with its piercing eyes. Next, a delightful sight emerges. A duck glides smoothly across the pond, embodying grace and charm, adding a splash of color to the vibrant landscape. Laughter and joy fill the air as they witness the duck's playful antics. Its cheerful presence brings a lightheartedness to the adventure. Back at the lab, the researchers brainstorm an innovative idea. What if they could combine the unique features of both the crocodile and the duck? Through creative experimentation, they unveil the Crocoduck, a whimsical fusion of a fierce crocodile and a cheerful duck, a creature unlike any other. The journey of discovery continues. What other unique and wondrous creatures await to be found in the hidden corners of our world?